Hello, niche creators. Welcome back to Finite Niche Moneymaker, the place where quick, actionable strategies help transform ideas into profitable niche business improvement ideas. Today, a special treat awaits. A detailed step-by-step brainstorming process straight from the pages of the book Niche Creation Mastery, available on Amazon.com. This process is designed to unlock niche ideas that are not only creative but also actionable, ideas you can start implementing right now. Are you ready to dive deep into the world of niche creation? Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare your mindset. The first step in this brainstorming journey is to prepare your mindset. Great ideas flow when you give your brain the freedom to explore without any judgment. This means letting go of the fear of bad ideas and embracing the wild and crazy thoughts that pop into your head. To kick things off, set a timer for 5 minutes. During this time, commit to writing down every single idea that comes to mind, no matter how outlandish it may seem. Remember, at this stage, quantity beats quality. The goal is to let your creativity run free, without filtering, editing, or second-guessing yourself. Allow your thoughts to flow like a river and don't hold back. Step 2. Define your problem or goal. Once the timer goes off, it's time to focus your brainstorming efforts. Start by clearly stating the problem you want your niche to solve or the opportunity you want to seize. This step is crucial because it provides direction for your brainstorming session. For example, you might write down questions like, how can I attract more loyal customers? Or, what are the pain points in home gardening that I can address? Writing the problem at the top of your page helps center your thoughts and ensures that your brainstorming remains relevant and targeted. Step 3. Rapid idea generation. Now comes the heart of the brainstorming process. Rapid idea generation. With your problem or goal clearly defined, it's time to write down every possible niche idea related to that problem. This is where the fun begins. Ask yourself questions like, what unique service can I provide? Or what unmet needs do people have in this area? Consider current trends or emerging markets that you can tap into. Don't hesitate to mix and match ideas. Sometimes the best concepts come from combining two seemingly unrelated thoughts. The goal here is to create as many options as possible, so let your imagination run wild. Step 4. Group, refine, and evaluate. After the timer goes off, take a step back and review your list of ideas. It's time to group similar ideas together and look for patterns or clusters. This will help you see which concepts resonate the most and which ones might be worth pursuing further. Once you've grouped your ideas, it's time to evaluate them. Circle the most doable and promising ideas, those that you could realistically pursue with your current resources. Ask yourself a few key questions. Is this idea feasible for me? Can it generate income? Does it solve a real problem for my target audience? Highlight your top 2 or 3 niche ideas that stand out as the most viable options to test and develop further. Step 5. Plan your next moves. Now that you have your top ideas, it's time to take action. Don't just stop at brainstorming. It's essential to plan your next moves. Take each of your top ideas and sketch out the next steps you need to take to bring them to life. This could involve creating a simple prototype of your product or service, reaching out to potential customers for feedback, or running a small test to gauge interest in your idea. Remember, brainstorming is just the beginning. Execution is what truly makes the difference between a good idea and there you have it. That's your comprehensive 5-minute step-by-step guide for brainstorming profitable niche ideas inspired by the principles in Niche Creation Mastery. If you found this process helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell for more fast strategies to build your niche business. Are you looking for a worksheet to guide your brainstorming process? Check the link in the description below for a downloadable resource that will help you stay organized and focused as you work through your ideas. Now, it's time to put this knowledge into action. Go brainstorm your next money-making niche and don't be afraid to think outside the box. The world is full of opportunities waiting for someone like you to seize them. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video where more exciting steps to niche profits will be revealed.